Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is in a toggle mechanism as shown in figure. What vertical force is exerted against this plunger due to the force of 4 kilonewton applied here? So AB is 0.4 meter and BC is 0.4 meter and BD is 0.3 meter. Assume joint C is stationary. In this problem, this length BC is given as 0.4 meter and BA is 0.4 meter and BD is 0.3 meter. And a force of 4 kilonewton is acting towards this one. So we have here two right angle triangles. So let us call this angle theta and this angle is also theta. From either of these triangles we get tan theta equal to 0.3 by 0.4. So theta can be written as theta equal to 36.9 degrees. Now by looking at this picture, a force 4 kilonewton is acting towards this, and this member CD as well as this member AD will be under compression. So the forces and reactions at point D can be represented as P is 4 kilonewton acting towards this, and force in this member DC FDC is compressive in nature, so acting towards this direction, same as this force FDA is also compression and acting towards this direction. Now we have force P and two reactions FDC and FDA, and angle theta is calculated. Now let us resolve forces along horizontal x-axis. So sigma Fx equal to 0. So P equal to FDC sin theta plus FDA sin theta. So by looking at this picture, we know that FDC equal to FDA, and that is also that we can call that equal to F. So by simplifying this, we get P equal to 2F sin theta. From here, F equal to P by 2 sin theta, that is equal to 4 by P is 4 kilonewton given in the problem. So F equal to 4 by 2 into sin 36.9 degrees. So force in either of these members F equal to 3.33 kilonewton. After calculating reaction forces in members DC and AD, now let us calculate force on this plunger FA. So forces at point A can be represented as F, that is force in this member at an angle theta with the vertical, and FA is the force on the plunger. So FA can be written as FA equal to F cos theta. So we get FA equal to 3.33 into cos 36.9. So F is already calculated in the previous slide, that is 3.33 kilonewton. So we get FA equal to 2.67 kilonewton. So the force in the plunger because of load F4 kilonewton acting on this toggle mechanism is 2.67 kilonewton. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.